There are 6 different levels of wastewater treatment, namely preliminary treatment, primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment, sludge treatment, and the final discharge sump. Preliminary treatment is done to normalize the flow rate, to minimize pH fluctuations, to shield biological systems, and to prevent clogging. Primary treatment is done by pH correction, chemical coagulation, and chemical flocculation. Secondary treatment consists of holding ponds and also stabilization ponds, and the goal is to reduce biological oxygen demand in the water. Tertiary treatment is done to remove specific pollutants such as non-biodegradable and heavy metals, and it will be done by using a filter. Sludge treatment is done to reduce the water content in the sludge in order to minimize the weight of the sludge. And the final discharge sump will be the last point where the wastewater will stay before being discharged to the environment. It is like a tank-like structure that has large diameter pipe that will drain the water to the sea with the aid of a pump. In the discharge sump, there are pH and temperature sensors, and the wastewater will only be discharged after the parameters are complying with the regulations. So the wastewater will come from the plants 1, 2, and 3 and will be channeled to all these operations until the discharge sump, where it will only be discharged to the environment when all the environmental regulations are complied with.